Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a complete 2025 guide on how to add a widget to any page in WordPress. Whether you want to display a calendar, recent posts, or a search bar, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your pages more interactive and professional. Let's dive in. First things first, open your web browser and go to wordpress.com. Click on the Login button in the upper corner. You'll see an option to continue with Google, which is the easiest way if your WordPress account is linked to your Google account. Once logged in, you'll be inside your WordPress dashboard, the control center for your site. Next, locate the Pages menu item on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking, this will show a list of all your existing pages. Here, you can choose the page where you want to add your widget. Find the page you want to enhance and click the Edit button next to its name. This opens the page in editor mode where you can make all the customizations you want. In the top left corner of the editor, you'll see the Add button. Click it to open the block library. Here's where the magic happens. Widgets are special tools that let you add features like calendars, lists of recent posts, or even a search bar. Widgets make your page more dynamic and user-friendly. You can scroll through the block library to explore your options, or use the search bar to find a specific widget by name. Once you see the one you want, just click on it and it will be added to your page. After adding your widget, you can move it around your page layout, adjust its size, and customize colors or styles to match your site's theme. Take a moment to make sure it looks and works exactly how you want. Once you're happy, don't forget to hit Save or Update to make your changes live for your visitors. And that's it! Adding widgets in WordPress is that simple. With just a few clicks, you can make your pages more interactive and engaging. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a WordPress tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.